Okay, guys, I'm going to read you guys Give Them a Hand, our story for the week. There will be a quiz with the questions, but I want you guys to try to read those questions on your own this time. I think that it's within your reading level. Just do your best, okay? But I'm going to read the passage. Give them a hand. Right is right, right? Of course, but is left wrong? Well, the ancient Romans thought so. As far as they were concerned, left-handed people were mistakes of nature. Latin, the language of the Romans, had many words that expressed this view. Some of the words we use today still have this meaning. The Latin word dexter means right. The English word dexterous comes from this word. It means handy. So, right is handy. But the Latin word left is sinistra. The English word for sinister was derived from this word. Sinister means evil. It is fair to call righties. Is it fair to call righties handy and lefties evil? Well, fair or not, many languages have words that express similar beliefs. In Old English, the word for left means weak. That isn't much of an improvement over evil. Not long ago, southpaws were often forced to write with their right hands. Doctors have since found this can be very harmful. You should use the hand you were born to use. People who use their left hands are just starting to get better treatment. But why all the name calling in the first place? One reason may be that there are not as many left-handed people as there are right-handed people. People who are different are often thought to be wrong, but attitudes do seem to be changing. Fair-minded right-handed people are finally starting to give lefties a hand. Okay, so now I'm going to post this where you can read it yourself. You can watch the video over and over, or you could, read it again and then do the quiz. Okay. There'll also be another reading practice sheet to go along with this. Thank you.